Living through a home reno is like living in the wild. You do whatever it takes to survive. But how can you be sure that all the pain is worth the gain? In this video, I'm sharing my best reno tips to maximise the return on your investment. I'm Karen Jones, your local property sales expert, and I've lived through my fair share of renovations. And although there's excitement at creating something new, the process can be trying at times. We're on site today at the beautiful beach house number 5 in Cottontree to chat about how you can survive the home renovation journey and to show you some great examples on improving the value of your home. Most people think when undertaking renovations, they need to focus solely on kitchens and bathrooms. But let me tell you some other things that you can do around the home. Before you start, you need to figure out what you want from your reno. Do you want to renovate and stay or flip? I'm not talking about compromising on quality. Take this home for example. The savvy owners intentionally took on this property to sell, yet still produced a stunning result. You will notice the neutral colour palette, which appeals to a broader range of buyers, and you can tell as soon as you walk through the door that this reno has been well planned and executed. First impressions count. Just look at the before and after of this outdoor entertaining area. Greenery is great, just don't let it overrun the area or block out any light. Keep it simple with a few well-placed plants. Create an extra space. This study has been strategically placed in the lounge without compromising the overall appeal of the room. Hidden behind cupboard doors, you can open as desired and easily pack it away when not in use. Let in the light. Everyone loves a well-lit and bright room. By encompassing these sleek glass partitions on the stairwell, it allows light to flow through between the levels and gives a contemporary look. At 175 kilos a panel, it was an effort well rewarded. If you're considering a home reno, do your research. Visit open homes for ideas, create a mood board, look online, consult professionals on prices and be creative. Being well prepared will ultimately save you time and money, resulting in a fantastic product. It can be a wild ride, but well worth it in the end.